This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Now, what if I told you that you could use Claude Sonnet 4.6 to assist with solving CTF challenges and learning cybersecurity concepts? Would you believe me? Today, we're going to put that to the test and see what it can actually do. Hey subscribers, welcome back to the Haxshadow YouTube channel. You've already seen the thumbnail, so you probably know what we're diving into today. Let's jump in and explore how this AI can help with real-world learning and problem-solving in cybersecurity. All right. First, we're going to take a look at an XSS example. Instead of trying to break anything, we'll focus on understanding how the code works and what it actually does. I'll give the model a sample snippet and ask it to explain the logic behind it, how it works, and why it behaves the way it does. This way, we can learn the concept clearly and understand how to identify and prevent these kinds of issues. I've already prepared the prompts ahead of time, so I don't have to type everything again. Now, let's see how Claude Sonnet 4.6 handles this and how well it performs. So as you can see, it's already giving us a detailed explanation of how this works and what's going on. But let's take it a step further. We'll tell it that we're not very familiar with the topic and ask it to break it down even more clearly. So let's see how it explains it in a simpler way. So as you can see, Claude Sonnet 4.6 is trying to analyze everything and generate possible test cases on its own. Let's give it a moment and see what kind of results it comes back with. It's trying to explain things, but honestly, I didn't fully get it. So I'm going to ask it another question and see how it responds. All right, now it's given us an example to work with. Let's test it out and see how it performs. All right, let's test it and see how it performs. And as you can see, it's working and giving us useful output. This shows that it can assist with understanding concepts, analyzing code, and supporting your workflow. So yeah, it can be a really helpful tool for learning and assisting in areas like bug hunting. But it's still up to you to apply that knowledge correctly. All right, now let's run another test, this time focusing on SQL, and see how it works through the problem step by step. So for this one, we're going to follow the same approach as before. We'll go step by step and see exactly how it works through the solution. So as you can see, just like before, it's breaking everything down and explaining how it actually works step by step. All right, it's given us a sample payload. Let's test it and see how it performs. And yeah, it actually works really well, which is pretty impressive. So as you can see, Claude Sonnet 4.6 is handling everything automatically. It's analyzing, thinking through the problem, and testing step by step. At the same time, it's even generating payload examples as it goes. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to drop a comment telling me what kind of videos you want to see next.